Hey, thanks for watching my video of my experience at Exotics Racing at Speed Vegas. This is that closed circuit track that's about 10 miles outside the city. You've probably driven by it if you were driving up from LA. And I wanted to share with you what my experience was, and then you get to watch me do my 7 laps. So in case you were wondering, do you just hop into one of these cars after you're in it and go out there by yourself? The answer is no. It's a process that takes about 2 hours from start to finish, so budget that amount of time if you're going to do it. You go through a 30-minute briefing. They take you on 2 laps in an SUV around the track. Then they assign you to a driver coach. So that's the person in the car with me. And I told my coach that I really wanted to learn the racing line and try to get the best time possible. So in the video, you're going to see him really coaching me up. Tell me where to upshift, downshift, where the apex was, when to brake, how hard to brake, what I was doing right and wrong. So if that's kind of a turnoff, that's what I wanted. And the trainers say that you tell them what it is that you want from them, and that's what they'll give you. So if you just want to drive around in a Lamborghini and have fun, that's what you'll do. One thing I wish I had done differently is I wish I had bought more laps. So this car was the cheapest one, $249 for 5 laps, and then $50 you get 2 more. The Porsches and Ferraris and Lamborghinis are way more expensive, like twice as much as that, so it really adds up. It was worth it though, because it was a bucket list thing for me, being someone who loves to watch racing, but who has never done it before. So it was a learning curve, and my first 2-3 laps was just getting used to the car, and then once I was used to it, then it was done. And my best lap was my last lap, not surprisingly. The other thing that you'll notice is it is popular. There's a lot of people that go in there. So the other thing I recommend is make a reservation. We went in actually the day before trying to just go in, but we would have had to wait like 4 hours for the next reservation time. So we reserved a time for the following day and then went back. Again, it was 2 hours. It was a hell of a lot of fun. If this is something you're into, you're going to watch me, struggle my way around the track. I actually made a fairly good showing with the lowest horsepower car on their lot. And I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you make your own trip out there. It's well worth it.
Go between the blue first, and then you're going to stop at the last orange. Yeah, go follow him. Alright. Go right behind him. Right here. There you go. Tire's a little bit cold, it's really windy and cold. So it'll take at least a lap or 2 to really get warmer, okay?
Okay.
Stop at the last orange here. You're actually good to go. So enter on track, so head straight here. So now, upshift. Perfect. You can start accelerating here to the left. Upshift again. Keep going, give it more gas. Upshift again. See that green over there? So that's your turning point. Start to brake, wait for that green cone.
Okay.
Downshift 1. Now, turn in, ease the brake, that's your apex. Upshift 1 here, go get the apex left. And now, progressive throttle. You can take off your fingers after shifting.
Okay.
Alright, go back to the outside here. Give it gas. Keep it going. Now, start to brake, wait for the green, there's 2 of them.
Okay.
Release your brakes now, second one. Now you're gonna go get that apex left. Yeah, there you go.
Got it.
Give a little throttle now.
Yep.
Keep it going, keep it going. And then here, turn right. So we got one guy behind. Yeah, stay right here. We're gonna let him pass. He's been here a couple laps already.
Okay.
So give a little throttle here. You're good. All right, give it more now. Keep it going. Keep it going. And then here, start to turn right. Okay, start right here. There's one more car. Yeah, sorry about that.
That's good.
The race car.
No, that's good.
All right, let's go. And now give a little bit of throttle here. Go get the apex right. And then here to the left. Keep it going on the right side. Upshift. Keep that gas. And now brake, downshift. Down again. One more. Ease the brakes. Now look through the window. Turn more. Turn more. Go get the apex right there. All right, upshift 1. Yeah, that was too much downshift.
Yeah.
Go back outside. Full gas. Good. Upshift. It's because you're keeping your fingers behind the shifters. After shifting, put them behind the wheel. Up. All right, keep that throttle.
Okay.
Start to brake now. Hold it. Hold the brakes harder. Harder.
Okay.
Downshift 1. Hold the brakes. And then here, turn in, ease the brakes. I got you. You didn't brake enough. On the left now, upshift 1. You're the wrong gear. Go back outside. All right, keep that throttle here. Yes. And then now brake, stay there. Hold the brakes. Hold it. and then ease. Now go get the apex left. Turn, turn. Not bad. That's pretty good. Yes. And then here, release your gas, turn right. Now smooth throttle. Go get the apex left. And now progressive gas, keep it going. And then release it. Now you can turn a little bit of gas right. Nice. Okay, now brake, brake. Harder, turn in early. And now release, go get this apex right. It's almost a straight line, you know. All right, give it gas.
I see it.
Yeah. All right, to the right side, keep that throttle. And now brake, stay right. Hold the brakes here, hold it.
Okay.
Downshift 1. Ease, look through the window, turn more. Go get the apex inside. Turn, turn. And now smooth throttle, upshift 1. Go back outside. You don't want to be first gear there.
Yeah, shoot.
It's all right. Upshift, just upshift 1. Downshift, sorry. I'll tell you after.
Okay.
Up again. All right, keep that throttle. Now brake hard, hold it. Harder, harder. Harder brakes, harder brakes. All right, downshift 1. And now turn here. A little bit of throttle to your left. Now smooth gas. Go back here to the outside. And brake, stay wide. Hold the brakes harder.
Okay.
Hold it, hold it.
Okay.
Ease them off, turn a bit more. Right here, be patient. And now you have a better angle.
Oh, yeah.
And now a little bit of gas now, release it, turn right. I got you. Yeah, you didn't release, you released too late there.
Yeah.
All right, give a little throttle now to the left. It's because you're tight. Relax
Yep.
your shoulders.
Okay.
All right, to the right now. And now brake hard. Hold it harder. Turn in early. Ease them off. Go get the apex right. And then here to the left. And now progressive throttle. Upshift 1. Keep that gas. Keep it. Now brake hard. Downshift. Harder brakes. Downshift 1 more time. All right, turn a bit more. Turn a bit more. Pass them on the inside. Start accelerating here. You're good to go. On the gas.
Yeah.
Good job. Upshift. Relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath.
Okay.
Up. You having fun?
Oh, fuck yeah.
That's good, right?
Yep.
All right, keep that throttle. Brake now hard. Hold it. Hold it. Downshift. Hold it. Avoid that bump. Avoid the bump here. Turn right. Now upshift 1. Go get the apex left. All right, smooth throttle here. Sorry. Keep that gas here. Keep it going. Keep it
Right,
going.
yeah.
It's all right. All right, give a little gas now. All right, I got you.
Right gear.
It's okay. No, hold the brakes. Ease now. Turn a little bit more. Get the apex left. All right, you're in the right gear now. So here, smooth throttle now. Yes. Release a bit. Turn right. And then smooth gas again on your left. Smooth gas here. Give a little bit more. Keep it going. Release it now. Turn a little bit of throttle right. Smooth. Stay here. Now brake. Brake hard. Turn in early. You're starting to be jerky. You got to be smoother. On the
Okay.
right. And now here to the left. Start accelerating now. You're good to go. Upshift. Brake now. Hard. Hold it. Downshift. Yep. One more. And now get the apex here. Yeah, I got you. Get the apex left. And now smooth throttle. Make sure to go outside. You got a lot of room. That's a good exit.
Yep.
Up. Up. You feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, keep that throttle. Now brake hard, hold it. Harder, downshift. Yes. Just hold it, ease the brakes. Yeah, avoid that bump there. Now a little bit of gas on your left. And now progressive throttle. That's better. Give a little bit more now. Keep it going.
Okay.
And now brake, stay wide. Hold it. Wait for the second. Ease now. Turn a bit more. Get the apex inside. Be patient. And now smooth gas. Nice. That's really good. And now release it. Hug it. Hug it first. Be patient. On your left. Now smooth throttle. Give a little bit more. Keep it going. Release it now. Turn in a little bit of gas here. Yes. Then brake harder. And now turn in early. Be patient. Now go get the apex right. Now smooth throttle. On the left. Give it gas. Get closer to him. Okay, pass him on the left.
Left side?
Yeah, brake hard, downshift. Hold the brake, stay in this gear. Turn a little bit more. All right, look up again, and now smooth throttle. Make sure to go out, and now you're good to go. Nice. Up, that's clean. Up. All right, don't forget to relax.
Okay.
Keep that throttle. Hard brake now, hold it, downshift. A little harder brakes, stay in this gear. Yeah, you keep going on that bump, it'll mess you up. You don't have to go that wide.
Oh.
Turn in, smooth throttle now. Keep it going, keep it going. Now brake, stay there, wait for the second green. And then your ease, turn a little bit more now. Wait for it, and now a little gas. Dude, that's perfect. Good job. Now turn right, you wanna hug it, be patient. On the left here, give a little throttle left. And now smooth throttle, give a little bit more. Release it here, turn a little bit of gas right. Okay, now you can brake now harder. And turn in early, be patient. I got you here. Now go get the apex right, and then left. It's a tricky one.
Yeah.
All right, go back right, upshift. Brake now hard, harder, downshift. Downshift again. And now get the apex inside, turn, smooth. Make sure to go out, go wider. And now you're good to go, full throttle. That's nice. Upshift.
Can I pass him?
Yeah, you're good. Up again. Brake hard. Hold it harder. Downshift, hold it. Okay, here. Turn in, ease. Now wait for the apex on the left. Smooth gas here. Not bad. Keep it going. Right here. There you go. Start your brake now. Hold it. Wait for the second one. Stay and turn a little bit more. Get the apex left. Okay, smooth gas. And now here, release a bit. Turn. Now a little bit of throttle. See that? How it's way better?
Yep.
On the left. Start accelerating now. Much better. You're good to go. Release it now. Turn. A little bit of throttle right. Yes. And now you can brake. Turn in early. Wait for it. And then here right. Then you can accelerate progressive on the left.
There you go.
You got it. That's perfect. Keep it. Now brake hard. Hold it harder. But guess what? It's already finished.
Oh shit! Really?
Yeah.
Oh damn!
That's 7.
Whoa!
What do you think?
Whoa! That was intense.
I know, right? It's a workout.
Damn. That was.
But no, like I said, we're starting to catch people, so it's great. Especially in this car.
Right.
Um,
We're catching the red Ferraris out there.
Yeah,
so,
yeah, exactly.